We have been hearing about tax ID for the layman or people that are really not in the know of what the tax ID is about. Is it the normal tax identification number that we all know that is the TIN, or is it something, relating to the NIN? What is tax ID?
Thank you very much for that question. I believe many people are generally confused about the tax ID, and that's the reason why we are here this morning. Tax ID, which is tax identification number, is not national identification number.
There are two different
not the same
numbers.
So there are two different numbers. And then tax ID is is a unique 13-digit number. 13-digit number that is issued to all or every taxable person, whether you are a company or you are an individual, or you are an organization, or you are a MDA. Even for MDAs, that is a ministry, department, and agencies, and even if you are, as a local government council, you're supposed to have a tax ID. Because anybody that does financial transaction within the system called Nigeria is supposed to have a tax ID to identify you as a taxpayer. So the tax ID, the reason why there is tax ID is for tax purposes. And Nigeria is turning towards having a unified identification for tax purposes. Before now, we used to have different things. So the new tax law, the tax administration law, that is the new Nigerian tax administration law, aims to harmonize all those various things before now and come up with a unique one that each person, whether you are an individual or a company, is supposed to have for any financial transaction within the system. And this tax ID can be, I can say it in simple terms, that tax ID is not NIN.
NIN,
and it's not the old thing that used to be issued by.
Yes, there was a number before now, that was issued to both workers, individuals, companies. So it's different. It's a new number.
It's a new number. Because though there's harmonization of those tax, the thing that used to be issued by those tax, different tax authorities before. Now we have a new tax ID, and that one is a unique 13 digits. So what I'm saying is, it's not NIN. Because NIN is, NIN identify you, whether individual,
as an individual,
as a resident or a citizen. While the CAC registration number, which is issued for the companies, identifies a business. But for tax ID, it identifies a taxpayer. All these that I've mentioned, whether NIN or tax ID or CAC registration number, they are means of identifications, but they are not the same.
But the tax identification number is solely for paying tax?
For paying tax, for tax purposes. Unlike before, each state used to have a tax identification number. So but now, this one that we have now, the tax ID, once it is issued to either individual or company or business, it can be used across all the states in the country. It's a unique number because their aim, their objectives why this has come up, and the objective is to make to identify each taxpayer with a number, whether you are operating, you are transacting, financial, you are having financial transaction in Kwara or in Abuja or in Lagos. It is the same number all over the country. Unlike before that, we used to, different states used to have different numbers.
So we have just one unique number.
One unique number for each taxpayer. So no two persons can have the same tax ID in this country.
Interesting.